Welcome again to my tutorial video on how I make over $800 today trading EURUSD, and I'll show you the strategy right now step by step. All what you need to do is to just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end so that you can learn the strategy, the method, the style I use to make over $800 trading EURUSD. All right, on this particular video. Try to subscribe, try to like, try to share this video across all your social media, and do this video is just based on educational purpose, not for financial advisor. Just make sure to learn and stick with me to the end of this video. So I will just log into my laptop right now to show you exactly the method I use, the strategy I use to make this particular profit on EURUSD. Just make sure, let me just log into my laptop right now to show you the exactly method I use to make over $800 in financial markets. Let's go. Right now, let's continue with the video to show you guys on how I possibly make over $800 on EURUSD with just like 2 to 3 trades within a day. On EURUSD. I normally try to wait for London section to open, before I pick my trade so that I can see a nice movement in the market. All right, with this particular strategy I can show you right now. I will show you this particular strategy based on candle confirmation before you pick a trade, on a smaller time frame. The first thing to do if you want to enter any trade you want to go for is to just make sure to identify the trend of the market. On our daily time frame right now, you can see the market is pushing up. You can see from this particular zone to this particular area at the moment. Even when you check your weekly time frame, you can see right now the market, we see a lot of downtrend on this. Let me show you real quick information with my arrow. All right, on this you can see we see a lot of downtrend from this level to this particular level on a weekly time frame. Right now we see some consolidation around this particular level. All right, and we see another pullback before the market starts pulling back up again, on a weekly time frame. So let's go back to our daily time frame. After you confirm that on a daily time frame, you can see the market is trying to push up on a daily time frame. All right, so how can you draw your support and resistance level? This is all what you need to do. Just make sure to come to your 4-hour time frame to know the recent level. You can start picking the buy or sell, on your smaller time frame. So right now, let me show you wiki information right now on let me just show you. This is how can you draw your support and resistance level either on the 4 hours time frame. All right, so you can understand the level. Let me just go even draw my support and resistance from my from my daily time frame right now, so that I can zoom it out for you guys to understand how you can draw it out. All right, this is a daily time frame. How can you draw a strong support level so that you can know what you are doing in the market? So all we need to just make sure to pick your box and try to map it out from this recent high, on a daily time frame. You can see the market failed to break this level, on a daily time frame. You can see right now this is a very strong support level on on a daily time frame. The market is trying to, can you see, we see another the market react around this particular zone, come down to this particular zone. The market retest again, and the market first drop a little bit, the market retest, and we see another drop downward here. Right now the market is trying to retest this particular level. Either we want to break it out or we want to come back to this particular level on a daily time frame. So how can you draw your support here? This is a very nice support area where the market failed to break. Let me just show you around this level. all right, on a daily time frame. You can see the market failed to break this level on what, on a daily on a daily time frame. You can see. So let's go back to our 4 hours to pick, so to know. You can see the market is keep ranging with on a daily time frame. So all what you need to do is to just either you come to your 1 hour time frame to pick some trade, or let me just, but what I do in this trade is that because I'm seeing the market just pulling let me just even zoom it up very, very well for you guys to see. All right, this is 1 hour time frame, but I don't normally use 1 hour time frame because of this. The market is not pushing very well. Euro is very, very slow in time of trading. But if you want to get the cash move, you have to just come to your 5-minute time frame here to catch some movement in the market so that you can be making some money. You can see right now I pick some trade after I see confirmation of rejection followed by bearish engulfing, and I try to take my TP on this particular. Let me just show you how I did right now. The first trade I take is around this particular level. All right, sorry, yeah, and I try to take my TP to this level. When after I after the confirmation candle, you can see I saw a bearish engulfing candle here, follow, and you see, and I pick the trade and I take my TP to this particular level on the 5-minute time frame. All right, that is one of my first trade, and the market also even pull back to this level again, and drop again to this particular level. All right, that is what I do. Another thing I see right now, the market try to come here again, try to push up a little bit. All right, after I see confirmation, this is a very nice rejection candle. All right, around this particular level, I also try to go for what? To go for a long position around this particular level, to upside down around this area. So these are the 2 trades I take, around in. I pick a short here, and I also, can you see, I pick one short here again, I pick another one here again. I try to, but what I'm doing is that I'm using a candle confirmation before I enter any trade. You can see I see a nice rejection candle here, and I place my trade after a confirmation, and I took my drop it to the nearest level. So this strategy is very, very okay. You can't trade it on a higher time frame. You have to just, after you confirm your trend again on a weekly daily candle, zoom out to 1 hour, then from 1 hour zoom up to 5-minute candle, so that you can see a nice clear entry for you guys to maximize your profit in financial market, guys. So, and if you want to use my recommended broker, the link is down below this video. And if you want to join my free Telegram channel, all the link is down below this video to be getting daily update analysis on EURUSD, on Forex, on BTC, on gold entirely, so that you guys can be learning little by little on my Telegram channel. So thank you guys for watching the video. Try to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this to all your friends. Thank you guys for watching. All my link is down below this video to use my recommended broker to start getting on your first deposit bonus on my recommended broker. Just check the link down below and the pinned comment to register with my recommended broker and start making your money in financial market. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.